Hello everyone, Muhammad Yahya from the Palestinian School in Qatar. I will explain to you Unit 10, Period 8, page 35. Please follow with me. How we can make the past continuous passive form from the past continuous active form. Review past continuous. What is the meaning of past continuous? The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. This tense describes actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. Past continuous. The subject singular pronoun or noun. I was talking. He was talking. She was talking. It was talking. I wasn't. He wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. We, you, they were. We, you, they were. Talking. Were not. Were not. Were not. Wasn't. Were not. Please follow with me. We use the past continuous to talk about 1. For actions continuing for a long time in the past. For example, I was waiting at the coffee shop from 6 to 9 p.m. Number 2. For actions continuing at past point in time. Example, I was still waiting at 9:30. Number 3. For actions continuing when another past action happened. For example, I was still waiting when they closed the coffee shop. Please follow with me. Use of passive. Passive voice is used when the focus is on the action. It's not important or not known. However, who or what is performing the action? Example, my bike is stolen. In the example above, the focus is on the fact that my bike was stolen. I don't know. However, who did it? Sometimes a statement in passive is more polite than active voice, as the following example shows. Example, a mistake was made. In this case, I focus on the fact that a mistake was made, but I don't blame anyone. Please follow with me. Form of passive. Subject plus finite form of to be plus past participle. When we rewrite active sentences in passive voice, note the following. Number 1. The object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. 2. The finite form of the verb is changed to be plus past participle. 3. The subject of the active sentence becomes the object of the passive sentence or is dropped. Okay, when we rewrite active sentences in passive voice, note the following. The object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. 2. The finite form of the verb is changed to be plus past participle. The subject of the active sentence becomes the object of the passive sentence or is dropped. Please follow with me. Passive with past continuous. Active, subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Was if the subject is singular, were the subject plural. Passive, subject was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by object. For example, modern technology was making the job easier. Modern technology was making the job easier. Modern technology subject singular. We added was plus making verb ing the job easier. In the example above, rewrite the sentence in passive voice. Try to answer it in your notebook. The job was being made easier by modern technology. The job, subject singular, was being made. Verb 3, past participle, easier by modern technology. Now, if I want to negate this sentence, I will only add the word not. Where shall I add the word not? Where shall I add the word not? Try to answer. Yes, the job was not being made easier by modern technology, with the word not added often the auxiliary. With the word not added often the auxiliary. Was not being. Was not being. Okay, please follow with me. Read the examples. Exercise 1. Modern technology was making the job easier. The job was being made easier by modern technology. Sentence 3. People were catching them everywhere. Were catching them everywhere. Where's the subject? Here. Yes, people. People, subject. We're catching verb. Where's the object? It's them. Them object. Yes. Sentence 4. They, them. They, we put here, they, plural or singular? Yes, plural. Where? After where? Being caught everywhere. Sentence 5. People were not protecting them. Were not protecting them. Negative. Were not. Were not. Them. Anywhere. They were not being protected anywhere. It's very easy. Now, look at the example again. Take it through the best way to complete the statements. Examples 1, 3, and 5 are in the past continuous. A. Active. B. Passive. A. Active. B. Passive. Take the best way to complete the statements. A or B? Did you guess? Try to answer in your book. Write the answer in your book now. Yes. A. Active. Examples 1, 3, and 5. This 1, 3, and 5. These examples. Active. Active. Okay. Examples 2, 4, and 6 are in the past continuous. Active or passive? This is the example. The job was being made easier by modern technology. They were being caught everywhere. They were not being protected anywhere. The job was after was being. They were after were being caught. Verb 3 here. Verb 3 made. They were not being protected. Verb 3. Yes. So the examples 2, 4, and 6 are in the past continuous. Active or passive? Yes, try to answer. Passive. Yes, very good. 3. We form the past continuous passive from was, were, plus being, plus past participle, or was, were, plus doing, plus past participle. Did you guess? A or B? Yes, A. we form the past continuous passive was, were, plus being, plus participle. They were being protected. Past participle, protected, verb 3. Sentence 4. We form negatives from A, not, plus was or were, plus being, plus past participle, or was, were, not, being, plus past participle. Did you guess? Try to answer. It's very, very, very easy. Yes. B, was or were, plus not, plus being, plus past participle. Okay, let's go to complete the exercises. Follow with me, please. Now, exercise 2, work in pairs. Describe the activities in the past continuous passive. It was 10 o'clock in the morning yesterday. The fish market was finishing. It was 10 o'clock in the morning yesterday. The fish market was, the fish market subject was finishing, was finishing. Now, the exercises or the sentences here, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, rewrite each of the other sentences using the past continuous passive. Number 1, someone was driving a van full of fish out of the market. A van full of fish was being driven. Driven, verb 3, past participle. Okay, driving, drive, driving, driven. Note, fish is uncountable, so they should use the singular form of be, was, with it. Okay, note here, fish is uncountable, so they should use the singular form of be, was, with it. Now, sentence 2. People were putting more fish into other vans. Try to rewrite each of the sentence using the past continuous passive. Yes, try to answer. It's very easy. Where's the object? Where's the subject? Singular or plural? Yes. More fish was being put into other vans. Was, singular here, being put, verb 3, past participle, into other than. Exercise 3. More people were still paying for fish. More people were still paying for fish. Try to answer it. Yes, I'm waiting you. Yes? Try to answer. It's very easy. This is the answer. Fish was fish. Okay, look, is uncountable. Uncountable. Fish was still being paid. Paid for. Now, people were cleaning the market hall. People were cleaning the market hall. Okay, try to answer. The market hall, subject, singular, was being cleaned. Cleaned, verb 3, past participle. Cleaning becomes cleaned. Sentence 5, Someone was washing the big plastic boxes. Someone was washing the big plastic boxes. Okay, was washing the big, yes, try to answer. The big plastic boxes where, we put where because the big plastic boxes is a subject, plural, we put where. After where we put being washed, 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 verb 3. Someone was sailing the genie out to sea again. Someone was sailing the genie out to sea again. Try to answer. I'm waiting you. It's very easy. The genie was being sailed out to sea again. The genie is singular. Was, we put was. After was, being. Sailing, we can sail, verb 3, past participle, out to sea again. Okay, we are going to complete exercises. Please follow with me. Okay, work in groups. Describe real activities. Exercise 3. Imagine that you saw the end of the day at your local market yesterday. Say what was being done. You can use these verbs: bring, carry, check, clean, close, count, fetch, sweep, take, tidy up, wash. Make sentence with the verbs about what was happening in the market. Where possible, they should use the past continuous. For example, vegetables were being carried in big bags. Vegetables were being carried in big bags. Were being carried. Carry, carried. Okay. Bring, brought. Check, checked. Clean, cleaned. Close, closed. Count, counted. Fetch, fetched. Sweep, swept. Take, taken. Tidy up, tidied. Wash, washed. Bring, brought. Check, checked. Clean, cleaned. Close, closed. Count, counted. Fetch, fetched. Sweep, swept. Take, taken. Tidy up, tidied. Wash, washed. Bring, bringing. Checking, cleaning, closing, counting, fetching, sweeping, taking, tidying, watching. Now, note, try to make more sentences. This is the homework. Thanks for attending. Goodbye, Mr. Muhammad.